Alright guys, so I haven't been uploading for a long time. Like, no new videos since the last decade actually, so that's kind of a big deal. Since I haven't done a good job in making videos, and I just decided to upgrade my setup. I bought this DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and I think it's pretty cool. It's kind of smooth, as you can see right here. I'm actually using that to record this video right now, and I got something really cool to show you guys in this video. I mean, you clicked on this video because, one, you wanted to see me again. No one clicked on the video to see that. But actually, you just wanted to see the unboxing of this thing. Yep, that is the LG something something monitor. It's a monitor. So I have my trusty thing that I don't actually trust. I cut myself once using this. It's not trustworthy at all. Also, this is a new setup, so new video about this soon. I think soon-ish. By soon, I mean like before the next decade. And how do I unbox this? Let's just, oh my gosh. You know what? I'll move my chair away. So, it's just me and this baddie. I don't even think I'm cutting it right. Oh wait, I am, okay. Never mind. You guys might be wondering like where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna be putting it there, and the specs are that it's 34 inches diagonally, which is kind of cool. It's only HD, and yeah. But the refresh rate is 144 Hertz. You probably can't hear me well because of all these stuff. So, I did it. Oh dang, I like this. This is like a full metal build, I think. Is that why it's so expensive? If you guys want to pick it up from like Staples, do Staples sell them? I have no idea if Staples sells these, but I got these off of Amazon. I may or may not have an affiliate link up when you watch this video, so. Oh, this is the stand. Yeah, it's a full metal build. Very cool. Okay, you guys can't see this, but I can. This is huge. Way bigger than I expected. Alright, how do I... Now just watch me fail and break this. Look at that. Yep, it's ultra wide and it's curved too, so exactly what I like. I should probably put this on my desk, shouldn't I? That's Windows on a Mac right there. And what the heck's that? Steam. Oh yeah, I was just playing some CSGO and PUBG, you know, because I'm cool. And like the other cool people, I like it. I don't actually play games that much. I have like 18 hours on a game, and that's like my most. Whoa. Let's just put this on the desk. Oh my god. Okay. I don't think you guys want to watch me assemble this actually, so cut. Or cut. Cameraman, you're supposed to turn the camera off when I say cut, so like cut. Alright guys, it's finally done assembling. It took me like 4 or 5 hours. I'm kidding. It took like 10 minutes actually. It was super easy. LG did a great job on their part. So, now that it's finally done, I think I'm going to be lowering the height of it by a little. It's actually really quite easy too. You just literally push down and then lower the height. That's like the coolest part about this too. Other than the whole thing being this big. I should probably connect it. Do I connect it to my computer first or to power first? We got power. Right, I bought a USB-C to DisplayPort from Amazon. It was like $35 Canadian, which would be like 27, 28 US. And that's going to be the cable I use for this. Maybe I literally can't reach it. Is it this one? Yep, it's this one. Oh yeah. I need to plug this. I hate plugging things in. It's so annoying. This is This is why I love AirPods and everything else so much. Wireless charging, I have one right here, one there, everywhere. Got it. New external input has been connected. Do you want to use this? Right, I'm supposed to peel this off, right. Well, I did that, at least. And no signal. Please check on your connection. This is so boring. Okay, press OK. Oh, am I? And there's Steam again. You know what? I'm gonna try to connect it first, and then I'll get back to you guys again. So, cut number 2. Goodbye. I mean, don't leave, but like, yeah, you get the point. All right, guys, we did it. So, as you can see, I've connected these 2 displays, and this wallpaper actually fits really well with this monitor, and that's really cool. So I will just close this. This just looks amazing. And like, actually one part of like what I really like about this monitor is that the bezels are so thin that you basically can't see them. What should I do? Okay, what is a test I can do with the new screen? This is 144 Hertz. I mean, I can show like all the specs on the screen right now, or not, if I don't feel like it. But yeah, if you like this video and want more videos of me like reviewing this or other cooler things, that's not just me unboxing, then be sure to leave a comment or leave a like. As you know, they always help me out. So I guess I'll just end this video right here. And of course, the setup is very cool. So if you want a dedicated video about that, you can tell me or just leave a like. If a lot of people watches this video, I'll also make that too. Alright, thank you for watching this really long video, or really short if I decide to edit it that long. And have a nice day.